Hi, it's Joanna, and today I'm asking you to consider something a little bit different. I'm asking you to consider, what if you don't need to know your ideal client before you attract them? So everyone teaches us to do things in this order, right? We're supposed to pin down, really get super clear on who our ideal client is, what they like, what they dislike, what clothes they wear, where they shop, where they went to school, their education level, their income level, or all these sorts of things, and only after work out a strategy in order to attract them. And since most of us get stuck on that first piece because it's actually really hard and feels constricting, to me it always felt constricting to try and pin down all those details of like one kind of person, where I like to work with all sorts of people. We get stuck on that first part and never move on to the actual attraction bit. So what if we started with the attraction bit? Now, this makes total sense when you think about how energy works, right? Because we know that we live in an energy-based universe, that everything is energy. So we know that what actually matters is your point of attraction. So right? What matters is your energy. Whatever you're putting out there is what you're going to be getting back. So in order to attract your ideal clients, you actually need to be focusing on your own energy, right? You need to shift that focus. Instead of trying to figure out who they are and what they like and all those sorts of things, you need to focus on you and the energy you're vibrating at, the energy frequency you're vibrating at. Are you being inspiring? Are you being uplifting? Are you being all the things that you want to be, and all the things that you want to see in your ideal clients? And by being in kind of your best self, your authentic self, by being passionate, by allowing yourself to be passionate about what you're talking about, what you're teaching, by allowing yourself to show that passion to the world, that's how you become magnetic, right? That's how you actually attract people into your world, into your work. They want to find out more about you, and it becomes a little bit less important, like what their income level is or where they went to school. Also, when you do it that way, in fact, you'll get a lot of the information that you want about your ideal client, like by attracting people to you, and you'll see who you like to work with anyway. So it'll work out in any case. So the soul smart thing to do is to prioritize you and your energy. So stop focusing on who your ideal client might be. Start focusing on you and your own energy. Allow yourself to feel good. Allow yourself to do what feels passionate to you and uplifting to you. Allow yourself to show that side of yourself to the world and talk about the things that you love, and spread the message that you are here to spread. And it'll fall into place. It has to, because energy works that way. And whatever you choose to put out there, so not kind of indecision or not knowing about who you want to attract, but just confidence about you and what you bring, that will be reflected in who wants to spend time in your energy. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you soon. Bye.